Here's our little Florida deer. Bless their little hearts. Y'all, it was cold. This ain't Florida. And I'm north central Florida. It's cold. I myself didn't get snow, but dang, everybody else did. And these poor little babies, I think they headed down south. This is the first day they've been back. Today's what, Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. I got 12 hours of rain, so they got saturated. And then this, I think it's like 30 out here right now. So they went through it. Bless their little hearts. Hey, little ones. I don't know if y'all saw the 2 bucks that I did a video on, but the girls, they were smart enough that they bedded down somewhere. But wherever they bed down at, they still get soaking wet. Oh, Mama, it's so cold out here. Oh, Mama, it's cold outside. Here's the little ones. And thank God Most High I didn't lose power. It's just white. Sun hadn't came out. Not gonna come out. You hungry, baby? Oh, there's some in the feeder. Their little bird feeder turned into a deer feeder. You go up there and get you some. See, look, they're still trying to dry off. Oh, goodness. Who we got coming? Where are they at? Where are they at? I hear them. Oh, y'all, it's so cold. There they are. Coming across the preserve. Oh, goodness. It's cold. This is in Florida. Oh, they're all back there. All right, let me go get them a little something, something. Oh, it's 4 o'clock feeding time. It's 5:20. Remember, they don't do daylight savings time. All right, let me go get them a little something, something. They deserve it. Love y'all. Stay warm.